Welcome! In this video, I will be teaching you how to assemble a saxophone. While I will be using an alto saxophone in my demonstration, this content applies to both tenors and altos. Before we begin, let's review the name of each part of a saxophone. The largest part of the saxophone is the body, featuring all the keys as well as a bell to amplify your sound. Then comes the neck. The neck has two ends, one which inserts into the body, and one which features cork to ensure a seal between the mouthpiece and the neck. Then comes the reed, which is a piece of either wood or cane, which is attached to the mouthpiece via a ligature. When you blow, you vibrate the reed, which creates sound which will travel through the rest of the horn. The keys you press down will affect which note comes out. Before putting together the horn, make sure that the reed is relatively wet or moist. You can do this either by sucking on it for a few minutes or drenching it in a glass of water. The first step in assembling a saxophone is placing the mouthpiece onto the neck. However, before we do that, we need to make sure that the cork on the neck, the brown part, has grease on it. While you should not do this every time that you play the saxophone, you should make sure to do it at least once a week or so to preserve the quality of the cork. When placing grease, make sure that you don't over-apply, as that can also be harmful to the cork. But make sure that you cover the entire surface area of the cork with grease. Now that grease has been applied, we can now attach the mouthpiece to the neck. Carefully pick up the neck without putting any pressure on the register key, as it is very easy to break. Then, pick up the mouthpiece with your other hand and, while not touching the register key, wiggle the mouthpiece onto the neck. Make sure it's straight and that there's about this much of the cork still exposed. However, the amount of cork that should be exposed varies from instrument to instrument. This is why it's important to tune the instrument before beginning to play. Now that the mouthpiece is attached to the neck, we can now place the reed and ligature on the mouthpiece. To do this, center the reed as best you can on the mouthpiece. Once you are confident in how it is set, place the ligature over the mouthpiece with the heads of the screw facing to the right. Carefully slide the ligature onto the reed until there is resistance and you can no longer continue to move it downwards. Then, make sure it's centered once more and tighten the screws on the right side of the ligature. Here are two examples of what not to do. On the left, the reed is too high up, and on the right, it's too far down. This is correct placement, where the tip of both mouthpiece and reed are aligned and the reed is centered horizontally on the mouthpiece. Now that we have the neck fully assembled, all that remains is to carefully attach the neck to the body. Before inserting the neck, you want to make sure that the screw is pretty loose to the left. Then, without putting any pressure on the register key, hold the neck and slowly wiggle it side to side while inserting it inwards into the body. Then, make sure it's relatively straight and tighten the screw on the neck. Congrats! You now know how to assemble a saxophone properly. Check out the rest of my channel for more content and tutorials regarding woodwinds.